I'm probably gonna go to Aldi then.
Okay.
Is that alright?
That's fine. Alright. We're gonna, in this lab, we're gonna install a virtual printer.
That's cool.
I am.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. The teachers don't care. It's just as long as I'm talking and wait, what should I do? PC2. For PC2 control panel.
Helicopter.
Shoot. I think I go to printer. Let me see. Okay. Devices and printers. Yeah, I don't think there's any printers installed. These are just generic printers that are on here, but I don't think they're truly installed. I have a printer. No, eat it. Anyone already ate? Oh, printer file. Printer. Question 2. How many printer devices are now displayed in the devices and printer window? Well, it shows that there's 3 printers, but I'm not sure. I don't know. And there's 4 printers actually in total now. Let's test. So now we're gonna test the generic printer. Printer file. This is a virtual printer test. What's it called? printer file. Okay. What else is displayed in this printer file? It just shows like these wraparound text that says printer file, and this is page 1. Alright. Oh, we uninstall the generic printer. I'm sure you can just delete it or move the device, I'm sure. Let's see. Yeah. Microsoft Print 2 PDF. So the Microsoft Print 2 PDF printer has now been the default printer. Alright, done.